I got D-Rock. Ice.
What up, y'all? What up? Guess what I got? Move these cleats out the way real quick. So, right here, I told y'all I got something for Christmas. I ordered off of Amazon. So I've been watching Exhaust Addicts channel, you know, trying to get me a little setup or something that I want. So these one of the pipes that he recommended on his channel for the Durango. So this one is the 4-inch tip, because right now, as you can see, I think those are 2.5, 3, almost 3-inch. I don't know, maybe 2.5. So with those, they're 2.5 on the back. So I went and I ordered some 4.5 tips right here. So the tips are long. So I seen these on his channel, and they did replace the length of the muffler. As you can see, this is it. Nice 4-inch. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can put the camera here. But just to give y'all an idea, ain't gonna stick out that daggone far, so they're pretty much gonna go up under here. They not that much bigger. They're not that much bigger than the ones that's currently on here. But if you can look up under, they're gonna replace pretty much the entire muffler. Want to try to get it to come out about right here, be flush with that little section up in here. I scratched them up a little bit. Oh well. Put that back in. But pretty much what I want is to be flush, coming out about right there. Look for the side. They angle up pretty good. Perfect for the Durango. See from the side here. So trying to debate if I want to do it on my own, cut out the muffler myself, or take it and get it done. So what I could do, cut out the mufflers, chop them off myself with the little pipe, give me some clamps and put it on and stuff like that. Clamps and put the pipes on, but and get those hangers off Amazon. I can do that myself, or I can take it up there and get it done. It shouldn't cost that much, probably like $150 to get it welded, because I'm not doing that much of piping. So that muffler gonna go, and that muffler's gonna go. I'm gonna keep the same original 2.5 piping, and yeah, hopefully we can get it done. Depending on the weather, I might be going to get it done. I ain't gonna sit up here and lie. But yeah, these are the mufflers. Ordered these. I think it was like 30-something, 40 for these tips. I was gonna go with the dual tips in the back. Then I was gonna have to cut my rear bumper. So I was like, I don't think about doing that. So another thing I'm thinking about doing is painting this, taping this off, painting it black all the way across, painting that black. So when I do get the pipes on, that area already gonna be black like I want it. So that's pretty much it for the video. If y'all want to see me do it, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely put it up on the ramps, chop these bad boys off, and get it done. If y'all want to see it get done, also leave it in the comments. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.